Hey, Darren here. Welcome back to Mess with Mopars. Getting a bunch of tracers there, eh? Anyhow, welcome back to Mess with Mopars. Darren here. Just a little update. I haven't done a video in a minute. So here's what we got going on. Been double time on the Super Bee. It's up in the air right now. I'll just show you what I started over here. So, way up. So you see the spring shackle here, right? So what we have is we have sliders. And they actually go like that. So I'm going to put sliders on there. So the eyelet of the spring is going to bolt into here, and it just gives it a lot smoother access. So what we did yesterday, I mean me, the royal we, is I fabbed up this doubler plate to go over top. Can you guys see in there? Yeah. To go over top of this piece here. So this piece is just going to come in like that, and then the slider will get welded to here. So I need to clean up in here, get this all prepped up. I'll probably drill a couple of holes in here just for a couple of plug welds. We'll get everything sitting in there nice like that, and then yeah, and then we can set this down onto the blocks. I got wheel blocks, and then we will lay out where the slider goes, and we'll get this side in, get it tacked in, and then we'll do the same on the other side, and then those will be installed. So another thing we've been doing, let me just push pause, cam back. So we've got the battery box mounted, cables made. I got the shutoff switch set up. I've mounted the nitrous bottle. Got that all set up. That's going to be pretty good. And then we still have all this room here for when we're on our drag and drive, and we can put stuff in the back still. Use the trunk, it's still functional. We pulled in the new wiring for the rear. For the lights, we're going to put a couple of extra lights up in here underneath the rear valance here. Yeah, the rear valance here. This is the sail panel, that's the valance. Okay, and we've got, I made the panel for in there. I've got the Dakota Digital Dash controller set up. The fuse panel, and then on the other side of the fuse panel is a MSD I lost the name of what they're going to be. Anyhow, so yeah, so the wiring from the rear is in, and then it's just kind of draped over top of there and hanging down there for right now. And then out front here, so this is headlight, high, low, left, right turn signal, and running lights. Transmission's back together. There's the Dakota Digital Dash. It is absolutely A1, number one. And then there's just a bit of the wiring that's still needs to get put in. What else we got going on? I think that's about it. Oh, you got to clean up these headers here and get that done. So there's the passenger side piece right there that I made. Just did some AutoCAD with cardboard. Had my buddy fold these up in the shop next door, banking sheet metal, and my buddy Chad is helping me with the wiring, and my other buddy Shane is helping me with the transmission. He put that back together the last weekend, and that's Shane's car right there. So we're going to be, maybe we'll do a few videos on some Chevy stuff. So that's about all I got for right now. Thanks for coming along for the ride. There's Tony Angelo in the back there. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment, and have a great day.